when you start at the end in mind, you can start seeing how you can put the dominoes in place so you can start solving it. You're gonna need something that kind of creates the domino effect, right? In this particular simple photo, the new lead was the trigger. Because the trigger, in this case a new lead, new leads, triggers, goes into lead flow, which therefore creates an action plan. That action plan has a lot of varieties. An action plan can say, start today because it was a new lead. But 7 days from now, I want you to apply this tag. And I want this tag to see, did my agent make the phone calls that they said that they would? And if they didn't, send a message to the ISA department or send an automatic email. So the idea is that the action plan swings over to another tag, which swings over to another automation, which gives you the result that you were looking for, which is your pain point. And then based on how you want to swing it, you can go on and do 2, 3, and 4.